President Emmerson Mnangagwa's eulogy at the National Heroes Acre on Thursday has drawn criticism for appearing more like a personal endorsement of a family member than a national tribute, as he praises the late ZESA executive chairman, Dr. Sidney Gata, his relative, as a trailblazing patriot. Sarabina mashoko panapa vanhu vachicriticize mutungamiri wenyika vachimuti he is self-serving apo paanoita relative yake national hero nobva subscribe like what on the bell like kuti vina munhu amubuda nepamuchenzi Gata, who passed away on July 4 in Harare after a short illness, was laid to rest with the full state honors amid somber skies and military salutes. But beyond the ceremony, questions have resurfaced around the appropriate of his controversial leadership at the helm of Zimbabwe's troubled energy utility. In his tribute, President Emmerson Mnangagwa called Dr. Gata an engineer par excellence and a scientific genius whose efforts, he claimed, left an indelible mark on Zimbabwe's energy infrastructure. Yet critics say these glowing tributes gloss over Gata's turbulent and often questionable tenure at ZESA Holdings, marked by allegations of corruption, nepotism, and gross mismanagement of the power sector. In courts, this was less about honoring a national figure and more about protecting political interests, said political analyst Tawanda Majoni. The president conveniently admitted that Gata's name was frequently linked to scandal and inefficiency within ZESA. Zimbabweans are still enduring rolling blackouts and an unstable grid system, hardly a legacy to celebrate. Mnangagwa further praised Gata's decision to return to Zimbabwe after a successful international career, describing it as proof of his patriotism and humility. Thomas Kwaruda panguva ino tinoona critics anouya achislama mutungamiri wenyika achiti aiwa panguva ino yes we have laid him to rest but hapamborina masolid reasons ekunzi aiwa angadeclarewa a national hero status. Pinakome section medu mutize mafungiro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.